My stomach, my digestive system just like turned off. Good morning everyone, it's Sadie and today I'm super excited to film this video. This is one of the things that is on my bucket list and it's to only eat smoothies for a day. I'm sorry, I have to turn this fan off. So today I'm going to be making 3, or maybe if I get hungry I'll make like a little mini smoothie, but I'm going to be making some different types of smoothies that I found on Pinterest, which I'm going to link all below. I am super hungry right now, so I'm going to make a nice green smoothie for breakfast. I hope these come out really pretty so I can take pictures of them and, you know, just go. So let's start off with the green smoothie. It's not weird. That doesn't work. Okay, so basically every single smoothie that I'm going to make is going to need 2 frozen bananas. I freeze them overnight because then they make the smoothie much thicker, and make sure that if they get clumpy, you just go like that. Ah, my hand's so cold. Done with the base of the smoothie, which is always bananas. Also, this recipe is called the Super Green Smoothie Bowl, and I got it on Pinterest from Minimalist Baker. And she said that if you put strawberries or raspberries in it instead of like blueberries and blackberries, you're gonna have a much greener, like vibrant smoothie, which is what I'm going for. That's why I'm putting in strawberries instead of any other berry. Okay, I really don't prefer kale in my smoothies, so I'm going to be putting in spinach, and it doesn't really taste like anything, so 2 large handfuls. I have small hands though, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Let's just take this and guess. I'm gonna say that's a large handful because I want it to be really green. I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit more. Okay, now we add some non-dairy milk. Also, a tip to a smoothie that's not super liquidy is using not a lot of milk, literally just putting in like maybe a quarter, maybe like a 1/5 of milk, just so that it's like really like thick and it's more like a bowl, not like a liquidy smoothie. This milk that I'm using is unsweetened almond milk. And now we mix. The blender that I have is the Vitamix, so it basically has this little stabby thing that you can like break up chunks with, which is perfect because I like to make my smoothies super thick. Stick her in. I'm going to get a better angle of this. Am I though? You guys are balancing on my measuring cup on my milk that's propped up on a walnut for my camera. I forgot the avocado. You're supposed to put a quarter of an avocado in. I forgot that. So a quarter would be like half of a half. Math. And I feel like it's definitely not green enough. I'm gonna put in way more spinach. It's actually pretty green. I'm super excited. I just had to add more spinach and I think that actually did the trick. I literally have the weirdest angles during this video because I don't have a tripod, so please bear with me. First, I have some raspberries. Yes, that's what we were looking for here. Next, I just have some walnuts I'm just gonna like crush up with my hand. Then we have some coconut. This is just unsweetened, regular sliced coconut. You're literally resting on a banana inside a fruit bowl. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I actually went the extra mile and I got these slivered almonds, which I think are really cute to put on. And last, but certainly not least, because it's been in the shop the whole time and I just failed to use it, I have some hemp seeds. I'm just gonna sprinkle this on. Voila, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the final reveal, guys. Let's go. Here is the super green, super healthy smoothie bowl. I have all the toppings on there. I think it actually looks pretty cute. Like, it's pretty vibrant. Even on camera, you guys can kind of tell. It's taste test time. I'm super excited to try it. Let's see what it tastes like. That's so good. Guys, I literally only taste like banana. That's literally the only thing I taste. I don't taste any spinach at all. And those toppings though, oh my gosh, the walnuts, so good. The raspberries add the nice sweetness. All the little almond things and the coconut add a nice like crunch to it. I would definitely recommend this green smoothie and it's really good for you. It's awesome to have greens like right in the morning. I guess this was a success. I'm gonna take pictures of this now. Probably should have done that before, but then I will see you guys for lunch. So it's lunchtime now and I'm about to make a weird but also really simple smoothie. I found this one called the Papaya Power Smoothie Bowl and it's supposed to look like that. I don't understand that because the outside of a pitaya, which is basically a dragon fruit, is pink, so I don't know if they left the outside on, but I went to the store and I found a yellow pitaya. I don't think I've ever put this inside a smoothie. I haven't even tasted a yellow pitaya in my life, but I wanted to use some type of exotic fruit. So I'm gonna start off with like the same amount of bananas as the first one. Also, if the quality is different, it's because I had to switch to my big camera, so now it's like really zoomed in and I don't really know how to do it, but now we have strawberries, and I have no idea what I'm doing with this. How do you cut a pitaya? I'm just cutting it in half right now. What is that? I thought it was supposed to be white, and it comes right out, like it's literally already coming out. I don't understand. This is so weird. I'm gonna see what it actually tastes like by itself so I know what I'm putting in. That's so good. So no milk, I'm just gonna try to blend it. That's the thickness we want. That's so good. Oh my gosh, it worked. It's actually perfect. It's like ice cream texture, which is always what I want it to be, and it's a super pretty like pink color. So let's put some toppings on this. I'm gonna use half of a banana as some like slices on top. This is looking so good! Something that's a little bit weird that not a lot of people actually think to put on a smoothie bowl is these little like rice puff things. They're basically just like brown rice, but they kind of taste like granola, so like a healthier version of granola. I'm gonna top it off with some chia seeds. This is always good to add into a smoothie. Oh, I think that ruined it. Well, that's really great. Good job, Sadie. Now it looks ugly. Okay, so this is what the smoothie ended up looking like at the end, and I'm probably not even gonna taste the dragon fruit at all, but then I have some bananas and all the little toppings. I'm definitely gonna take pictures of this one. I'm so excited to try it. These angles are just getting worse and worse, aren't they? I am happy with the presentation of the smoothie, but all that counts is the taste, right? So that's where it is. I taste the dragon fruit and it's so good. It's so sweet. I don't know what it actually tastes like. It kind of reminds me of a mango. I might have to add pitaya to our grocery list like every month. This is a thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys for dinner. So this challenge has kind of taken a little turn. So basically I had the first smoothie for breakfast and I couldn't finish it because my stomach was feeling really weird, so I didn't finish it. And then I had the second smoothie and the texture was literally just making me not okay. Like at first it was fine because I thought it was really thick, but the dragon fruit made it kind of slimy, which I would usually be okay with. It's just today my stomach was so off, and I also think that I put too many like nuts and toppings on the first one because fat and nuts I cannot digest. Like it just doesn't work. So my stomach, my digestive system just like turned off. Okay, so I didn't finish the second one, which is probably why I'm starving now, and now my stomach is really bloated and disgusting. So hopefully this one is going to work, but I'm gonna have to eat like a real dinner because I technically haven't really eaten all day. So I'm just gonna make a really simple peanut butter banana smoothie. So I'm just gonna put one frozen banana and then some fat-free peanut butter because we all know that my stomach does not do well with fat or nuts. So I'm gonna use this one. It's like the PB&Me powdered peanut butter that you just mix with water and then you put it in. Oh, I can turn this off. Probably would have been better to speak without that on, but you live and you learn. Also, I look like this because I just came out of the lake. I was swimming, so that's why my hair is wet, and yeah, crusty. And if you're like me and literally can't digest nuts, this is a good option. I literally just get it on Amazon and it comes like every month because I'm obsessed with it. Let's just blend it and see if it blends. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So this is what the peanut butter banana smoothie ended up looking like. I just like chopped up a dark chocolate square and put it in, kind of made like a chocolate banana thing. I think it's actually really nice, like the colors go well together. I was trying to use some inspiration from Pinterest, so let's see how it tastes though. Kind of really scared because I don't want my stomach to hurt and I don't want to explode, but I'm just gonna taste it. Hopefully it's just really normal. Please be normal. Thank you. Because this has peanut butter in it, I'm probably gonna end up eating it. So this challenge definitely took a turn. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thought I'd be more okay with having smoothies for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but maybe today was just a weird day with my stomach. Let me know if you guys try any of the ones that I did, or like leave recommendations of one that you've done that you really liked, because I love trying out new things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you.